Looking to elevate your biking experience to new heights? Wondering which electric bike will conquer any terrain with ease? Then you have come to the right place as we cover the top 5 full suspension e-bikes, so you don't have to suffer through bumpy rides again. Please note that we compiled our picks to suit different preferences and tastes, so make sure to stay tuned till the end to discover the perfect electric bike for you. Also hit that like button and do subscribe for future updates. The VITILAN T7 electric bike, ranking at number 5 on our list, is a formidable choice for riders seeking power and endurance. With its internally enclosed 48-volt large-capacity 20-ampere-hour Samsung lithium-ion battery and Bafang 750-watt high-speed brushless rear hub motor, boasting a peak power of 1,200 watts, this bike delivers continuous strong power, especially tackling uphill climbs and challenging terrains. Its impressive range of approximately 70 to 80 miles with pedal assistance per charge, coupled with a maximum speed of about 28 miles per hour, ensures extended adventures without compromising on performance. The VITILAN T7 prioritizes rider comfort and control, featuring CST 26-inch large-wheel diameter 4-inch anti-puncture tires and Mozo adjustable double-crown hydraulic front fork with D&M 3-level adjustable air shock absorbers. These components enhance terrain handling, cornering capabilities, and overall ride smoothness, whether on or off-road. Moreover, its braking system, employing Tektro dual-piston hydraulic brakes with a power-off function and a larger 180mm disc, provides formidable stopping power, even on softer terrain. With the Shimano 8-speed transmission, riders can seamlessly switch gears to adapt to various terrains, ensuring an optimal riding experience every time. The VITILAN T7 sets a high standard for electric bikes, offering a blend of power, durability, and versatility for riders of all levels. The Fucare Libra 750-watt electric bike, securing the 4th spot on our list, embodies all-round excellence, combining advanced technology, luxurious comfort, and incredible utility to create the ultimate riding experience. Designed with meticulous attention to detail, the Fucare Libra represents a purpose sculpture, with its streamlined bodywork and iconic triangular support design ensuring high torsional rigidity and aerodynamic efficiency. This attention to detail extends to its inner strength, featuring an LG 48-volt 20-ampere-hour large-capacity battery and a 750-watt 1,200-watt peak high-performance motor that delivers smooth linear acceleration from 0 to 32 miles per hour. With a travel range of 45-80 miles in pass mode, the Libra provides pure riding pleasure, whether commuting or embarking on family adventures. The Fucare Libra is engineered for bold movement, equipped with an aluminum alloy hydraulic front suspension and rear spring coil shock, meticulously forged to match the weight of the e-bike frame, ensuring ideal weight distribution and a lower center of gravity. This full suspension system delivers a smooth damping effect, effectively absorbing impact and rebound from the road, while the shock-absorbing seat reduces pressure on the rider's hands and passenger's body, ensuring a supremely refined ride in all conditions. With its blend of performance, comfort, and safety, the Fucare Libra stands as a testament to the pinnacle of electric bike design and functionality. The Wallke X3 Pro electric bike, claiming the number 3 spot on our list, epitomizes high performance and versatility for riders seeking exhilarating adventures. Boasting an AWD 2000-watt dual motor configuration with double 1000-watt high-efficiency brushless motors, this electric mountain bike delivers unparalleled power and exceptional uphill capabilities, propelling riders to speeds of up to 34 to 35 miles per hour. Whether commuting or exploring new trails, the X3 Pro ensures exhilarating acceleration and steady power, keeping riders ahead on the road. Moreover, its long-range capabilities are facilitated by a hidden 48-volt 20-ampere-hour large-capacity battery concealed within the frame, offering a total of 1056 watt-hour. This waterproof removable battery, with a protection switch lock, ensures worry-free charging and storage, even in inclement weather conditions. The X3 Pro's superior full suspension system, featuring a 26-inch lockable hydraulic suspension and sturdy aluminum hydraulic rear shocker, alongside 26x4 fat tires and an oversized comfortable seat. Guarantees a smooth and stable ride on rough or uneven terrains. Coupled with 4 pistons hydraulic disc brakes, this electric bike provides reliable stopping power, instilling confidence in riders. With its excellent design frame, heavy-duty construction, and foldable versatility, the Wallke X3 Pro caters to riders of all levels, promising safety, comfort, and unmatched performance for every adventure. Securing the esteemed second position on our list is the FREESKY electric bike, a true powerhouse of performance and innovation tailored for adventurous riders. Featuring a formidable 1600-watt peak Bafang motor, capable of propelling riders to a top speed of 34 miles per hour by pedal and 20 miles per hour by throttle, the FREESKY electric bike ensures thrilling acceleration and confidence on all terrains with its maximum torque of 120 Nm, certified by UL. This electric bike comes with a 48-volt, 25-ampere-hour removable Samsung Cells lithium-ion battery, providing a remarkable range of 60 to 105 miles by pedal assist mode, ensuring long-lasting rides without worry. Its superior 4-piston hydraulic brakes, equipped with larger brake pads and rotors, deliver strong stopping power even on loose terrain, enhancing safety and control for riders. Furthermore, the FREESKY Swift Horse Pro boasts exceptional suspension systems, including a lockable and adjustable double-shoulder front suspension, downhill hydraulic fork, and rear suspension, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride by absorbing 60% more shocks compared to regular hydraulic shocks. With its advanced vector and sine wave controllers and multifunction display, the FREESKY electric bike offers unparalleled intelligence and efficiency, making it a top choice for riders seeking exhilarating adventures and reliable performance. Taking the prestigious top spot on our list is the Himiway Cobra electric bike, a true marvel of engineering and design tailored for adventurers seeking unparalleled performance and endurance. Boasting an astonishing 80-mile long-range capability with pedal assist mode, courtesy of its 960 watt-hour battery, the Himiway Cobra empowers riders to explore vast distances with ease and confidence. Equipped with a robust 750-watt brushless motor, this electric bike effortlessly conquers steep inclines with a maximum torque of 86 Nm and a top speed of 25 miles per hour. What truly sets the Himiway Cobra apart is its revolutionary super shock absorption system, featuring 4-bar linkage suspension technology, a first in the US market for e-bikes. This innovative system specializes in absorbing shock, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride even on the roughest mountain trails. Additionally, the Cobra's extra coil suspension guarantees front stability, further enhancing the rider's experience. With a remarkable payload capacity of up to 400 pounds and super fat tires measuring 26 inches by 4.8 inches, specifically designed for all-terrain adventures, including mountains, forests, beaches, and snow. The Himiway Cobra offers unrivaled grip, traction, and stability, promising riders a smooth and effortless journey on any rugged terrain. So, which electric bike caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and updated prices. Also, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest electric bikes.